Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a strong photo and enabling Apple Intelligence. This gives you contextual tools. Open Photos and select the image, then tap Edit. Once done, pick the Magic or Enhance option to let Apple Intelligence analyze subject, depth, and color automatically. You should review the suggested adjustments, exposure, white balance, and subject isolation, because the system proposes values that match scene intent. Make minor manual tweaks to strength sliders, so the AI's baseline fits your vision before moving to precise edits. Now you refine. Use subject isolation to adjust background blur and check the edge mask. Apple Intelligence predicts subject edges, but you must nudge the mask for accuracy. Next, apply the AI's color grade presets or open tone curves to accept suggested curve points and fine-tune contrast and midtones. Then use semantic retouching to remove or reposition objects. Apple Intelligence recognizes elements and proposes clean fills. Accept or refine those fills. Throughout, preview before and after to judge cumulative changes and maintain natural skin. To finish, export in the original resolution or hike to preserve edits and metadata. You can also save a separate copy. Make sure to inspect at 100% for halos or color shifts and correct selective masks if needed. If Apple Intelligence overcorrected, reduce the AI strength sliders or manually repaint the mask to restore natural transitions. If problems persist, revert to the original image and repeat the workflow more conservatively. Start from the AI baseline, then apply lighter, layered adjustments so fixes remain non-destructive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.